Hi guys, this is Lydia. Welcome back to Summer Skills 2020. Today we have a very fun and easy recipe. We're going to do no-bake monster cookie balls, okay? And as we get started, I want to remind you to have your parents pick up your refrigerated cooler every Monday from 3 to 7, and this contains your ingredients, your supplies for this week. And this recipe is going to be for all ages, for all groups, for both groups, okay? And included with your bag will be a printed recipe. Okay, so we're gonna get started. What you will need from home is a mixing bowl, a baking sheet, and a piece of parchment paper. Well, the parchment paper we will provide it, but what we will provide is 1 1/4 cups of oats, and they're gonna be already pre-measured, half a cup of peanut butter, 1/4 of a cup of honey, and 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. And this will be provided to you along with your parchment paper, okay? And we will start. In our mixing bowl, we will add our oats, 1 cup and 1/4, okay? We will add the peanut butter. And I'm going to use a spoon. Okay. And we will add our honey. Remember guys to take pictures of your finished meals, your finished products. So you can send them in, text them in to the Skills phone number provided to you, or you can also email them. And then now we're just gonna mix everything together. Make sure you wash your hands, guys. We want to practice good hygiene, okay? Always wash your hands. Get all those germs off your hands. And this is a no-bake recipe, so it's just gonna be half an hour, 30 minutes in the refrigerator so they can set and they're ready. Okay, so we're mixing everything together. We want everything mixed together. Okay. As you can see, it's already mixed together. Okay, now that it's already mixed together, we're gonna add our chocolate chips. Okay, and this is 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. And you could be creative. You could add M&Ms. You could add Reese's Pieces. But all of that is optional, okay? So we stir in our chocolate chips. Remember guys, we also have the Zoom meetings every Friday at 2 o'clock. And on your folders, there's a sheet where it gives you all that information. The meeting code and everything, so you can join. Every Friday at 2 o'clock, you can speak to your mentors, you can speak to Pastor Miller, you can ask any questions that you have. And we will be rolling about 2 tablespoons size of balls. And you could wash your hands first. And you could roll them in your hands. Okay, it's a good size. Okay, and this is more or less like 2 tablespoons. Form your balls. remember, when you have all your balls formed, you put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so they can set, and then you can enjoy. Thank you guys. Remember to take pictures of your finished products. You can text them in or you can email them. And remember to have your parents pick up your cooler refrigerated bags every Monday from 3 to 7, and join us in the Zoom meetings at 2 o'clock every Friday. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy.